So this is my first Revenge piece in a while, especially since they had their 2-month hiatus. They came back from that saying they were going to have 5-day shipping. This came almost 2 weeks later, so obviously didn't fit that window. But I will say the 2 weeks is usually what it does take for Revenge to get here. This kind of been the standard that I've seen from them with my orders at least. So this is the Mickey Cobain tee, which I think Garrett previewed on his Instagram probably like 5 or 6 months ago. It's been a long time and we're finally seeing it come to fruition, finally have it in hand. But a lot of people were hating on it because it's basically a direct ripoff of the number 9 Mickey Mouse design. Anyway, with that being said, we'll get this open. Like I said, I haven't gotten a Revenge order in a while. I know they haven't been doing stickers lately. I doubt there's going to be anything but the tee in here. Nothing, just the t-shirt. And I kind of was disappointed that it had a back print. Here it is. You can see the front print, you know, but the hoodies also had the same back print, which I don't know why people like that, or I don't know if anybody did like it. I guess Garrett did because he put it there. But basically on the front you have this Mickey Mouse design looking like Kurt Cobain, and then you flip it over and you have just the back view and then Revenge down on the bottom, which I think this is super just like unnecessary. You really don't need this. I don't think this adds anything to the design. I think it looks tacky if anything, and it's a waste of a print on the back. So this looks like a really wide t-shirt. And then another thing I noticed opening it up, there's like some stuff on the inside here. So looking underneath, there's this like blue sticky piece. Not exactly sure what it is, but I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to take it off. It's like some glue of some sort just sticking to the inside of it. Doesn't look like it really shows through on the outside. I'm sure after you wash it or something it'd go away, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Vacuum that up later. But yeah, I'll get this on and let you guys know what the sizing's like. Oh, so the neck opening is like unnecessarily big. I feel like I don't know, does it look big? I feel like it feels big. I don't know about you guys. Other than the neck fitting a little weird, I'd say like overall this is about the right size for an XL. Some brands XLs fit like larges. This is pretty true to size. I'm like 6'3" for reference, so you guys can use that. Looking closely at the screen printing, which I'll throw up a close-up for you guys right here, a lot of the colors or like the objects will have separations between them where it's like, I don't know, maybe that's a problem area for future wear and tear, like cracking and whatnot to happen. But you can actually see like the blank underneath between some of the colors, especially up on Mickey's head. You can see the separation between the colors that were screen printed on. It's just a t-shirt though. That's pretty much all I've got for you guys. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.